Hi everyone. I'm going to show you today how to make pretty openwork decorative paths that are divided up with a stockinette stitch. The scheme consists of 2 loops and 6 rows, 4 for the path and 2 for the separator. There are also certain oddities to knitting in the round, which I go into at the end of the video. Additionally, I'll demonstrate how to create a perfect swatch edge with 2 loops on either side. We start with an even number of loops on the wrong side. The first row is on the wrong side. We start each row by slipping the first loop and knitting the second. Then we work with the loops in pairs. Pull up a long loop between the second and third. Make a yarn over loop, and knit 2 together through the back. Again, pull up a long loop, yarn over, and knit 2 together. Pull up a long loop, yarn over, and knit 2 together. Finish the row with 2 edge loops. Slip the first one with a thread in front and knit the second. The second row is on the right side. After the 2 edge stitches, the loops are in groups of 3. Get the second with the right hook and drop it. Slip the first and knit the third. Again, drop the second, slip the first, and knit the third. The third row is on the wrong side. After the 2 edge stitches, outside the scheme, purl 1. The repeat pattern is, make a yarn over loop and purl 2 together. Again, yarn over, purl 2 together. Yarn over, purl 2 together. The fourth row is on the right side. After the 2 edge stitches, knit all the stitches until the end of the row. The fifth row is on the wrong side. After the 2 edge stitches, purl all stitches until the end of the row. The sixth row is on the right side. After the 2 edge stitches, knit all the stitches until the end of the row. If you're knitting in the round, work the odd rows, except the first one, on the right side. We have to knit the first row on the wrong side with the shown scheme using this method I explained a month ago. I believe you'll have no difficulty with this. When the third row is on the right side, slip the first loop, then repeat, make a yarn over loop and knit 2 together. Make a yarn over loop and knit 2 together. At the end of the row, knit the end loop together with the slipped first one. When the fifth row is on the right side, knit all stitches until the end of the row. This knit has all the characteristics to be a hit for the spring and summer seasons. It has a delicate openwork, a light relief, and a unique decorative appearance. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Not Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.